let's proceed to number 21. So y is equals to 2x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 all over square root of 3x minus 2 at x is equals to 2. So we will convert this term to exponent form first. So let's go. So y is equals to 2x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 all over 3x minus 2 raised to the power of 1 half. So we'll differentiate both terms. So we have y prime is just equals to 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 plus, so just copy the denominator. So 3x minus 2 raised to the power of 1 half divided by, multiplied by the derivative of 4 is just equal to 0. Minus just copy 4, so the derivative of denominator is just equals to 1 half multiplied by 3x minus 2 raised to the power of negative 1 half multiplied by 3 all over 3x minus 2. So 1 half multiplied by 2 is just equals to 1. So let's cancel this one. So we have the remaining will be y prime is equals to 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 squared. So just further simplify, 3 multiplied by 2 is just equals to 6. 6 plus, so negative 4 divided by 2 is just equals to 2. So negative 2 multiplied by 3 is just equals to negative 6. So negative 6. So all over. So this exponent is negative. This exponent is negative. So we'll bring this term to the denominator to make it positive. So we have 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2 raised to the power of 1 half. So again we will further simplify. So y prime is equals to 6 multiplied by 2x minus 1 squared minus 6 all over. So 3x minus, so we'll add this exponent. So 3x minus 2. So 1 plus 1 half is just equals to 3 halves, right? 3 halves. But the value of x here, x is equals to 2. So at x is equals to 2. So we'll find out what is the value of y prime. So y prime is equals to 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1 squared minus 6 all over 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 halves. So for this one, we'll calculate this one. So y prime is equals to 6. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is just equals to 3. So we have 3 squared minus 6 all over. 3 times 2 is just equals to 6. 6 minus 2 is just equals to 4. So we have 4 raised to the power of 3 halves. So we have y prime is just equals to 6 multiplied by 3 squared is just equals we have 9 times 6, so 54. We have 54 minus, so 6. So by using calculator, we have 6 all over 4 raised to the power of 3 halves. So 3/4. So 3/4. So by having this one, 54 minus 3/4, so we have 4. So 4 times 54. So 4 times 54 is 216. So 216 minus 3. So y prime is just equals to 213 all over 4. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So answer is 213 all over 4. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to the number 23. So for number 25, y is equals to square root of 10 minus 2x all over 3x. So we'll find its first derivative. So 0.3 and 2 over 9. So y prime. So let's convert first. So y is equals to 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half all over 3x. So getting its y prime is just equals to copy 3x multiply by 1 half multiply by 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half minus 1 is just equals to 1 negative 1 half. Derivative inside is negative 2. So minus, so copy the numerator 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half. So the derivative of 3x is just equals to 3 all over 3x squared. So further simplify, so y prime is equals to, we'll cancel 2 and we have 3x. So the exponent, this one is negative, this term is negative, so we'll put it into the denominator. So we have 3x all over 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half minus 3 multiplied by 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half all over 9x squared. So we'll combine these two. We'll combine these two terms. So we have y prime is equals to 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half. So just copy 3x minus 3 multiplied by 10 minus 2x. So all over 9x squared. So we'll put this term to the denominator. So we'll have this y prime is equals to 3x minus 30. So we'll distribute this one. So plus 6x. So negative 3x. So sorry, this is negative 3x, negative 3x, and negative 3x all over 9x squared multiplied by 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half. So let's simplify. So y prime is equals to 3x minus 30 all over 9x squared multiplied by 10 minus 2x raised to the power of 1 half. So we are given the 0.3 and 2 all over 9. So at 3 and 2 all over 9. So 3, 2 all over 9. This is x, this is y. So we have y prime is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 minus 30 all over 9 multiplied by 3 squared multiply by 10 minus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 half. So by using calculator, so calculate. So 3 multiplied by 3 minus 30 all over 9 times 3 squared multiplied by 10 minus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 half. So the answer is negative 7 all over 54. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is negative 7 all over 54. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 27.